A topic we commonly get asked a lot of questions about is tire pressure monitoring systems. Do we have one? Should you have one? And if so, which one? We're going to go over a little bit about which system we're currently using and why. Our last TPMS was getting a little bit old, and since its sensors had built-in batteries that weren't user replaceable, it was beginning to cause dropouts where tires weren't reporting back into the monitor while we were driving. Since the cost of replacing those sensors could go toward purchasing a new unit instead of just replacing the ones we already had, we decided it was time to start looking into what the current state of tire pressure monitoring systems was. It had been quite a few years since we'd originally gotten ours, and we figured there were probably a lot of new advancements and new systems out there that would probably be better than what we were currently using. It turns out that we were right, and the system that we decided was the right one for us is from a company called EEZ Tire. This is the monitor for the EEZ Tire system itself, and we've been using the whole thing for about the last 6 months. The first thing that we like about this unit is the fact that the monitor is so small and portable. It actually has a built-in battery, so it can operate without being plugged in. It also came with a really great mounting system for mounting it onto either the dash of the RV or your car, or onto the windshield. Another feature we really like is the fact that the power cord is a standard USB cable. It's USB on this side, it's just a micro USB port, and then just has a standard USB-A plug on the other end, which means we can just plug it into our multi-port USB charger that's already in the dash. One thing that had led us to choose our original TPMS system was readability while we had our polarized sunglasses on. So that was definitely something we were concerned about with something that has an LCD screen, as they can commonly be a bit dim when you're looking at them through polarized glasses. Not so with this. Whether they've polarized the screen to match our glasses or what, it works perfectly. Everything's totally readable whether we have our sunglasses on or not. The kit we got also came with a repeater. Now, EEZ Tire doesn't specifically say that you have to purchase one for a specific length of RV, but they do recommend them because even though your RV may not be particularly long, you're dealing with a wireless system where the tire sensors are reporting in wirelessly to the monitor. And electromagnetic interference from electronics on your engine or from your transmission computer or any other source could actually reduce the range of that transmission. So with the repeater in our rear closet in our RV, we haven't had a single tire drop out the entire time we've been using it. Another thing we really like about the new system is that the tire sensors themselves are extremely small. Now this is one right here, and you can see it's practically the size of a nickel and not very tall or very heavy, which makes it really great on the tire valve stems. Typically with TPMS systems, you may have trouble on your car or your towed vehicle because the sensors themselves are heavy enough to cause the tire stems to bend a little bit. With these being so small and light, that hasn't been an issue at all. The system is also incredibly easy to program. There are 3 basic ways you can do it. There's an air pressure activation mode where basically you take the sensor, screw it onto the tire valve stem, and as the tire pressure triggers the sensor to start transmitting, you can program it to the monitor itself. And literally, since the monitor is battery operated, you can bring it around with you to each individual tire as you're doing that. If you'd rather not do it that way, you can do it using their off-the-vehicle programming mechanism. In that situation, they provide little numbered stickers you can apply to each individual sensor, and then they have a guide inside the instruction manual that shows you what each tire number is along each axle all the way back through to your toad. Programming each of the sensors to the monitor and then sticking the sticker on it means that when you go out to install them onto your tires, it's just follow the order and you're done. We chose not to use that particular method because we were concerned the stickers may not last over time since we're full-time and install these for long periods. The last method you can use is what they call on the vehicle. And that one means you just install all of the sensors into their individual locations and then go through a procedure to trigger the monitor to put each sensor into programming mode as you go around. On the back of the monitor, there's actually a little sticker that says, "Hold sensor here." And when you're doing that programming, you literally take the monitor and hold it up against the sensor while you trigger it to program to that particular location. That makes it super easy because now you don't need to worry about which sensor goes on which tire and anything like that. Install them all and then go around with the monitor and program each location. It's super simple. The last thing we really like about the new system is the fact that it offers customizable high and low pressure alerts, as well as a high temperature alert. So again, depending on your tires and your system, you're going to want to adjust those to make sure that you're getting alerted to any potential high pressure or low pressure situations based off of the tire pressures you set on your tires. That's of course based off of the weight at each of the 4 corners and things that you need to be taking into account, but it makes it so that this system is really customizable to work best for you. It's been working great for us. It was competitively priced compared to all of the other systems out there. It's super easy to program and install, and most importantly, it's been working without a hitch. The system can be purchased with any number of sensors depending on what your RV and towed situation requires. Now for us, we have 12 tires between the RV and the car, so we have a 12 tire system. Comes with 12 sensors, the monitor, and the booster. We'll include a link down below in the video description to where you can purchase this system with any number of sensors as you need for your RV. And if you have any questions about tire pressure monitoring systems or tire pressures in general, leave a comment down below. We'll be happy to answer them as best we can. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, do that as well with the button down below, and make sure you click that little bell icon to receive notifications when we post new videos. And if you haven't checked us out on Patreon, we'll put a link to that down below as well. We'd really like to thank all of our existing patrons for all of their support because it helps make videos like this possible. And as always, safe travels, and thanks for watching.